Upgrading your car stereo shouldn't mean losing your favorite AM/FM stations. The Scosche antenna adapter connects your aftermarket stereo directly to your vehicle's factory antenna LED, no wire cutting needed. It's a simple, clean solution that keeps your radio signal strong and clear. What makes this adapter stand out? It's built with factory-quality wire and connectors, ensuring a reliable connection that lasts. Plus, it fits perfectly with your car's original wiring, preserving the integrity of your vehicle's electrical system. No guesswork, no hassle. I used this adapter myself on a 2013 Scion FRS, and it worked flawlessly. It even included the wire needed for the antenna amplifier that came with my car, which kept the signal sharp. Installation was straightforward, and I didn't have to modify any wiring, exactly what you want when upgrading your stereo. Scosche has been a trusted name for over 40 years, known for high-quality, affordable car stereo accessories. Their commitment to excellence means every product meets strict standards before it reaches you. When you buy from Scosche, you're not just getting a product, you're getting peace of mind. What really sets Scosche apart is their lifetime tech support. If you have any questions or run into issues, their expert team is just a call or message away for as long as you own the product. That kind of ongoing support is rare and valuable, especially for car audio enthusiasts. On top of that, every Scosche 12 volts installation accessory is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. This guarantees your purchase is protected against defects and gives you confidence that your investment is secure. If you're considering upgrading your car stereo and want to keep your factory antenna's performance intact, this Scosche antenna adapter is worth a look. It's easy to install, reliable, and supported by decades of expertise and customer care. Try it when you're ready to make your stereo upgrade smooth and worry-free. With Scosche, you get a product that works as promised, backed by real people who stand behind their gear.